I have been using Fanola products for quite some time now. I am obsessed with the No Yellow shampoo. I'm obsessed with their NutriCare line. I'm obsessed with everything. They recently sent me the No Orange line. So this is the No Orange shampoo and the No Orange mask. Now with blonde or blonde hair, bleach blonde hair, this helps get rid of orange or brassy tones in your hair. Not just like the No Yellow that gets rid of the yellow orangey, a little bit of the brassy tones, but this definitely hits those orange brassy tones. Gets them by the neck. Alright, now if you have already white or really bleached hair, this will help give you like an icy white look. Let me tell you that this hair was made without toner. Just these two. This is all I use. I use these two. I use one, I use the other, I use them together, and boom, your girl has icy white silver hair. It is bomb.diggity.com. I didn't know about a blue pigment shampoo. I always just heard about purple, but now they've been really hyping up the blue and I can see why. Now my hair is usually on the gray side. It's always like a deeper like silver at least, never this white. I just bleached it last night / this morning. I did use the Blonde Me from Schwarzkopf, and I'll have a tutorial either before this or after this, and you can see the review on that bleach, which could be a bomb. It could be bomb or it could be a fail. You'll have to find out for yourself, but I think it's pretty obvious which one it was. But after that, normally whenever I bleach my hair, I always go in with a toner to achieve the color that I want, or more so to get rid of yellow orange tones in my hair and strip it. So with these, I went in with the shampoo, which I will also I'll insert a clip from my bleach video, or I'll just send you over there, but I might be nice and just put the little clip here of the effect it does on my hair from after bleaching it. So it was, if I'm not mistaken, because I can't remember, if I'm not mistaken, it was already like in a yellow orangey tone, or maybe just yellow depending on how the camera picked it up. So even after I used the shampoo and the mask, I find that I didn't even need to condition. My hair was super nice and soft. It felt amazing. So these are definitely moisturizing for the hair. It's not going to strip them. It's not like a shimmer light situation where your hair feels like super dry. I do recommend really working it into the hair, really massaging it into the hair. Not so much the scalp, I'm talking just the hair itself. I find that if you leave it obviously for a couple of minutes, you'll get the best results. I can say all that I want about the product. It's all about performance. So if you guys will keep watching, I will show you exactly what I mean and how bomb these shampoos are. I will leave a link down below. I'll leave my coupon code down below so that you could get some coins off your order. I believe it's Krisang, Krisang. So make sure that you check out their website. Make sure that you check out my other video about the Fanola products. There was like a slew of them, like maybe 8 products, and they're on sale still for only $50, so make sure that you look into it. You don't even have to have bleached hair for that package. It's just gonna help maintain your hair. It's gonna help keep it healthy, looking amazing, and that's literally all Fanola products have done for my hair so far. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will just stop rambling and let you see how good it is.